this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm show you where to see your refund information when you purchase anything from AliExpress and you cancel this option, still money doesn't arrive. So where you can see the process, how is going on. So open any browser, you can do it in Mac or Windows, whatever you are. Go to your AliExpress account. Here we go. Go to my order. Here we go. In my order, you can see all the purchases is there, but some cancel purchase may not appear here. Hit refund and return option. Okay, here you don't see anything. Click this one, you say all in progress, waiting, return, hit in progress. Nothing there. Waiting, return, searching. Nothing here. Completed, search here. So these are already have completed. So how you can see something you already cancelled and is not appear. So go one more time, order, and check what is the purchase that you have done. Here we go. This is cancel, you see here. If you cancel at the time of buying in few minutes, it will be here. It will not go to there. If you have some product already at your hand, at your home, you want to return, those will appear in return and refund. So here, go to order details. In order detail, you see add to cart, refund information. So here you'll have return information. I hit this one. And you see is in progress. Return is starting in progress. In few days it will finish. They will return me $16.59 US. It will take 2 to 6 days to return me the money. These glasses I have bought, I return. So this is a process. You can see the return information, refund information of your money in AliExpress. Very simple tutorial, guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.